Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instacart grocery account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your account because you're no longer using it. How do you actually go ahead and delete your Instacart grocery account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on your profile account on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on settings on the top hand side. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on personal information. Now towards the bottom, you're going to see a delete account button. That is what you're going to click on in order to delete your Instacart account. Do make sure this is something that you want to do because it is not reversible, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your account on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.